Pepper questions. Can I grow my pepper in a swampy land or a swampy area? Well, when you do a little bit of research online, it will be telling you that green pepper is good to grow in a swampy area or a swampy land. But from what we have seen here in Uganda or experienced, I'll talk about hot pepper and chili. Please do not grow your hot pepper or your chili in a swampy land. Knowing that chili and hot pepper is harvested throughout a whole year, it means it goes through all seasons. It goes through the wet season and it goes through the dry season, which means if you grow your pepper, your hot pepper, your chili in a swampy land during the time when it's hot, that swampy land may show signs of allowing your pepper to grow and it will look healthy, and you may probably have a harvest, especially if you're growing for export and not for home consumption. Don't grow your pepper in a swampy land. When the rains come, your pepper will die off. It will not survive the waters because it will get drenched and drained. So please do not grow your pepper in a swampy land, especially here in Uganda. It's not. Don't grow your hot pepper or chili there. Hot pepper or chili needs land that is balanced, which means water can easily pass through it and also it can contain its heat. Though you need to grow it next to a water body if the land is you need to grow it next to a water body, because when the hot season comes, then you will need to irrigate more often than you would in a rainy season. And during the rainy season, the land should be able to allow the water to just move through and not get logged in your plants.